Guys, welcome to Forex Street Academy. I am Toby. I want to introduce to you guys Forex Trading. First of all, somebody is going to ask, what is Forex Trading? Forex Trading is an online global financial market that allows you to buy and sell currencies. And then we're bringing up a course that allows you to know how to engage into this market. And then we'll be offering the basic aspect of it, the basic training, and then we'll be offering intermediate and that of the advanced. But in order for you to get the complete package, please subscribe, hit on the subscribe button and that of the bell icon so as to stay connected. Thank you. Alright guys, this is your guy Toby. Welcome to our course on Forex Trading. First I want to flip pretty quickly with the subject to be treating in the course of this program. So please just stay connected. So first we have introduction to Forex trading basics. We have what is traded in Forex. We have sports markets. We have major currencies traded. We have when can currencies be traded. We have the Forex market OTC. And then we have currency distribution of reported FX turnover. We have why trade foreign currencies. We'll be treating also leverage. And then next how you make money trading Forex. The examples of making money by buying euro USD or by buying euro. Then here we have long shorts. Then here we have rollover. We have Forex Street Academy. And how to read a Forex quote. What is a PEEP? Our Forex Street Academy curriculum. So these are the major subjects we'll be talking on. So most of the courses or the subject you see me displaying are basically coming out of this subject over here, out of these topics over here. So we have Forex basics, fundamental analysis, and that of the technical analysis. So doing that alone will give you a balanced knowledge, and that's why we're doing this. Alright guys, so let's continue with what we have for you. And the exchange rate of a currency versus another. Forex Street Academy, margin call. Okay, so yes guys, so let's flip over quickly and then do what we have. So there's the first program. So the foreign exchange market, also referred to as FX or sports market or just sport, is the largest financial market in the world. The largest financial market in the world, with a day trade volume of over $4 trillion a day. This is the amount of money that goes on the internet that individuals, banks, organizations, institutions are plugged into. So this is the amount of money that goes in just one day. So and then if you compare that to the 24 or the 25 billion a day trade volume with the New York Stock Exchange, I think you can easily see how enormous the foreign exchange market really is. It's actually equal to more than 3 times the total amount of the stock exchange futures market combined. Alright, so you could see how this thing works. So what is traded in the foreign exchange market? What is traded in foreign exchange market? The simple answer is money. Yeah, so Forex trading is this simultaneously buying of one currency and then selling another. Currencies are traded through brokers, dealers like you and I, and are also traded in pairs. So for example, the Euro USD or the Japanese yen, Euro USD or USD Japanese yen. Yeah, so and then because you're not buying anything physical, this kind of trading sometimes could be very confusing. think of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country. When you buy, say when you buy, say JPY or this Japanese yen, you are in effect buying a share in Japanese economy, as the price of that country is a direct reflection of what the market think about the current and future health of Japanese economy. Now, in general, the exchange rate of a currency versus another currency is a reflection of the country, of the condition of that country's economy compared to another country's economy. Unlike other financial market like the New York Stock Exchange, the Forex spot market has neither physical location nor central exchange. Yeah, so the foreign exchange of the Forex market is actually considered an over-the-counter. Yes, it's considered an over-the-counter or interbank market due to the fact that the entire market is run electronically within the network of banks continuously for a 24-hour period a day. So until the late 90s, only the big guys could play these games. Okay, the initial requirement was that you could trade only if you had about 10,000 to 10 to 50 million bucks. When you hear bucks, actually dollars, 10 to 50 million US dollars. Wow. Forex was originally intended to be used by bankers and large institutions. Yeah, so this is just the fact about it. Originally designed to be used by bankers or institutions, and then all you need to do is to get started with a computer. Actually, if you really want to do this forex trading, since the forex trading market, the required amount has been reduced to the level where dealers like you and I could be engaged into this market. And then afterwards, all you also need to do to be involved into this market, you just get yourself either a desktop. If you don't have a desktop, don't bother yourself. You could actually get a phone, a smartphone that have access to internet and so on. So that is it, bro. And then we're also going to be talking about sports market. What is sports market? A spot market is any market that deals in the current price of a financial instrument. So that is it. That deals with financial instruments. So that's it, bro. That's it. And then the major currencies traded. What are those major currencies traded? You could see the major currencies over there, looking at the symbol and then the country, then the currency, and then the nickname over there. Now, looking at it, the currency, the forex currency symbols are always 3 letters, where the first 2 letters identifies the name of the country, and then the 3rd letter identifies the name of the country's currency. As you could see over there on the left, on the very edge there, you see US, which is United States, and then the D over there, which is the 3rd letter, is the dollar, and then the nickname for the dollar is BOK. So looking at the nicknames now, you see that the nickname for dollar is BOK, nickname for euro is fiber, nickname for Japanese yen is yen, nickname for pound is cable, nickname for France is Swiss, nickname for dollar is lone, Canadian dollar is lone, nickname for Australian dollar is Aussie, and then nickname for New Zealand dollar is Kiwi. So that is it, bro. That's it. And then we're also going to be looking at when can currencies be traded. When can currencies be traded? The forex market is open 24 hours a day in different parts of the world, from 5 o'clock Eastern time on Sunday until
4 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday. The ability of the Forex to trade over a 24-hour period is due in parts to different international time zones, as you could see on the screen. So over here we have Tokyo sections that opens 7 p.m. New York time, and then to the African time range we have 12 o'clock GMT to that of the African countries like Nigeria, and then the Tokyo section closes at 4 a.m. in the morning, while Nigerian section or the African sections closes by 9 a.m. in the morning. And then London section opens at 3 a.m. in the morning. Same to Nigerian is 8 a.m. London section closes at 12 p.m. in the noon, and then 5 p.m. Nigerian time or some of the African countries. And then we have New York opens at 8 a.m. the New York time, and then Nigeria or some other African countries 1 o'clock at noon, and then closes by 5 p.m. New York time, which is same thing as to 6 p.m. Yeah, it's same thing as 6 p.m. 8 p.m. GMT Nigerian time. Yeah, so guys, just some few ingredients to how the market works and how it goes. All right.